This is the Ceoighe replacement Polaris Pool Cleaner tires. Let's take it out of the box. And in the box you got the tires. Oh, tires are supposed to be round? Don't worry, they're going to be when they're on the unit. I'm going to show you that. They just come shipped like this. They squish down and they'll fit and all that. You'll see. These will fit your Polaris 180, 280, 360, or 380. It'll also fit a TR35P, TR36P, and a Quattro Sport. Part number for these is C11 or C-11. These are made of high quality rubber and they're black, so they don't really show dirt. That's kind of a nice thing. You don't really see them in black, you see them in white, but there's no reason they can't be black. It does exactly the same thing. And these will certainly help you gain traction on your pool, going up the walls and whatnot. If your tires are worn, you need new ones, and these are going to be great. I'll show you how to put them on. Okay, here's what you need to know. It's just barely spring, and it's about 45 degrees out. So I'm going to have a much harder time than you will. You just take the tire and peel it off. As you see, like that, just work your way around and get the tire to come off the wheel. May pop back down in that. Again, if this were summertime and the sun's out and it's 80 degrees and that kind of stuff, this will be a much easier job. That came off just fine like that, and the new one goes on in just the same way. Now you're going to have to stretch it and pull and work your way around. And just work it on down there, and there's a groove where it all goes in. Just down there we go. That's it. A perfect replacement from the old tire to the new one. And these will work just fine, and hey, it dresses it up a little bit. You never see them like that, so that's pretty cool. So once again, these are the Ceoighe replacement Polaris Pool Cleaner tires. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find the item available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.